Hi guys, this is Inga once again, and I'm going to give you this cut crease ombre colorful makeup tutorial look. It is super easy and super cool, so you guys can just come along with me on this journey. So let's get started. Quite sure you guys know the drill, so subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos by me. So first I'm going to go in with the soft glam palette, and I'm using orange soda. I'm using this as my first transitioning color. And next I'm going to go into my Juvias Place palette. I'm using Morocco on a MAC 224 blending brush. And I'm just going to go and pack this on top of that color that I used earlier. And I think this color is just a great color also for transitioning. And now with my Morphe 35B palette, I'm just going to use that hot pink shade from that palette. And I'm using my Morphe M322 brush. And I'm just going to go in with a patting and packing motion, patting that on to get the desired look that I want. And for these colors to be really popping. So you'll just see me patting and just shading in all through this eye look. So as you guys can see, as I use one color to pack and shade in, I'm just going to go back over the other color so I don't lose any of the colors, because I want it to be an ombre effect. I want it to be a gradient look. So I'll just be going back and forth with each color. And going into that same palette, I'm going to use that gorgeous purple color, and I'm just going to go more onto my crease area just below that hot pink shadow, and more into my outer V area, and I'm just going to be patting and shading that in. So with some of this makeup remover and a Q-tip, I'm just going to clean up the lid area because I don't want any of the colors to drain onto where I'm going to cut my crease and apply that white color base by NYX. So the crease is all done and cut, so I'm going to set this first, and then I'm going to use that same white color from that Morphe 35B palette. And as you can see, I'm still doing patting and packing motions as I use these colors. I'm packing the white onto the lid area. So I'm going to use all of the colors that I used earlier, and I'm going to first start with the last color that I used in the transitioning area earlier, and that will be the purple. So I'm going to use each of these colors onto the lid area, and it's going to be more of an ombre effect, as you can see. And I'm just going to use my NYX glitter. I'm going to use that white gorgeous glitter color. It has the little colors running through it, so I'm just going to go over that with this NYX glitter. So this wing eyeliner step is totally optional. You don't have to do this, but if you feel as if it will enhance your look, then you can go ahead and do it. I'm using, by the way, my BH Cosmetic liquid eyeliner gel, and this is the brush that came with that. So next I'm gonna go with my liquid eyeliner gel by Maybelline, and this is a usual step for me. And for the face, I will be using my 24-hour Superstay foundation by Maybelline. These are just I cannot explain these products by Maybelline, but they are just very good products. Maybe you guys should try them sometime. And I'm using my concealer brush by Morphe. I like to apply it with this first and then follow up with my kabuki brush by Sigma. For concealer, I will be using my Tarts Shape tape in deep, and I'm just going to conceal the under eyes and my forehead, the nose bridge, the nose area, and above my cupid's bow. And with a wet Real Technique beauty sponge, I will be melting this concealer in. I'm gonna set the entire area using my Mercier translucent powder, and then I'm gonna go in with the medium deep by Mercier after that. And I'm just highlighting my brow area with that same color, that gold color out of the Nubian 2 palette. So I'm going in with my contour palette by Black Up, and you guys know that I usually use this. And afterwards I will be highlighting with a highlighting powder by Wet n Wild, and it's called Botanic Dream. It's more of a pinkish lavender color, and it's absolutely gorgeous. There it is. And afterwards I will be using my Elfie blush palette. And lining my bottom lash liner, I'm using a pencil brush by MAC, and I'm just gonna go in and align my bottom lash liner with that. And afterwards you will see me using MADISON, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a liquid lip liner, sorry. And I love this color. It's gorgeous, and it's nice and hot and pink, and it goes well with the shadows. And I'm just highlighting the high points or the high areas. I decided to use some gloss over my liquid lipstick, and I'm using this Wet n Wild gloss. And I'm just going to be finishing off this look with my Studio Fix powder by MAC. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other videos from me or by me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. I will greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.